In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a lead in Service Manager. Leads help you track potential customers before they become full clients. From the home page, click Leads. Click the New button at the top right to open the lead pop-up form. On the first screen, you can use the search field to find and autofill an address, or fill it manually. Make sure to complete name, street and postcode, which are mandatory. You can add any notes in the key info box. Then click Next. On the next screen, fill in optional details like registration number, VAT number, and SIC code. Choose the type of business, their interest level, like hot or cold, and how they heard about you. You can also add turnover, employee count, current provider, and assign a salesperson. When you're ready, click Next. Onto the final screen. Here you can add a new contact or search for an existing one to add them to the lead. Then hit Finish. And that's it. This customer lead is now ready for tracking and management in Service Manager.